In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube and your Pixabay API keys. Now, the reason you want to do this is because we're currently using our own API keys for these settings. So even if you don't enter your own API keys here, it may still work for you. But as we get more and more customers on board, the demand is going to be greater. And what's going to happen is eventually these are going to run out of quota that we have. And so it's best if you add your own API keys here so you don't have to worry about it. Now, the first thing you want to do is go to Google. Obviously, you want to be signed in to your Google account. If you've already created multiple API keys on Google and for some reason they don't seem like they're working, I recommend you create a new Google or a new Gmail account to do this with and get a brand new API key from it. So what you want to do is search for Google Developer Console. Now, this link will also be below the video, but just in case you want to search it or it changes, you can find it right here. The first time you log into this, if you've never accessed it before, you're going to see a screen like this. Otherwise, your screen may be a little bit different. Make sure you come up to your profile here on the upper right corner, click on it, and make sure you have the right Google account selected. Now you're just going to make sure your country's selected and you agree to the terms and continue. Now come to the top and click on Create Project. Give it a name, whatever you want to call it, and click Create. We'll give it a second to finish creating. Now we're going to select the project. And you can also see up here at the top, you can choose the projects from the drop-down menu if you have more than one. Next, you're going to hover over APIs and Services and click on Library. Scroll down to find the YouTube Data API version 3 and click on Enable. Finally, once the page reloads, you want to come over and click on Credentials. Choose Public Data. Next. And here is your API key. Simply copy it here, go back to AI WiseMind and paste it in this box. Pixabay is much easier. If you click this link, it's going to take you into the Pixabay API documentation. You just want to scroll down. And right here in this area here, you're going to see where it's showing my API key. This is because I'm currently logged in. If you're not logged in, it's going to have a link here for you to log in. Simply log in, come back to this page, and here you're going to find your API. Come back to AI WiseMind and paste it in this box. And make sure you click Save. And you can see all the API keys here have been added and saved.